To connect Snapshot Leads forms with Go High Level with Zaiper, the first thing is click the Zap button. On the next page, you can just type in your automation. Should be something like this. And then just follow the instructions. So click Trigger and then search Snapshot. And then for the trigger event, choose New Lead. On this part, click Sign In or Change button to log into your Snapchat account. Then click Continue. And then just fill out the necessary information that's being required on the screen. Next is click action and then search Clickup. For the action event, click or choose update task. On this part, click sign in or change button to log into your Clickup account. Click continue and just fill out the necessary or put in the necessary information on this workspace box. All right, now you know how to connect Snapshot Leads forms with Go High Level with Zaiper, and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.